Problem 11. We need to name this regular polygon. We're told that it's a regular polygon, and find the measure of this interior angle and this exterior angle. Well, to figure out what kind of regular polygon this is, let's just count the sides. We'll start right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's a 6-sided polygon, and that's a hexagon. So this is a regular hexagon. And then now to calculate the measure of this interior angle, we have an equation for that. Let me show it to you. And this is actually just the expression on the right side of the equation. The left side just says interior angle equals. But what we have to do to calculate this is n stands for the number of sides of the polygon. This will work for any regular polygon. And since this is a regular hexagon with 6 sides, we just put 6 in for n. And you can see why this works if you think about it, because the top of the fraction, 180 times the quantity n minus 2, that's the way we calculate the sum of all of these angles in the inside. And then for a regular hexagon, all the angles are equal, so all we're doing is calculating the total of all the angles and then dividing by the number of angles, because the number of sides, 6, is the same as the number of angles. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angles too. And so that will give us the measure of each of the angles individually. But let's just go ahead and finish the calculation. 6 minus 2 is 4. And then 180 times 4 is 720. And then 720 divided by 6 is 120. So the interior angle is 120 degrees. What about the exterior angle? Well, there are 2 ways to do this. I think the easier way is to just recognize that the exterior angle and the interior angle are a linear pair, and they have to add to 180. So if this one, the interior one, is 120, the exterior angle has to be 60, because 60 plus 120 is 180. The other way to do it is to use the fact that all 6 of the exterior angles of this hexagon, there are 6 of them. See, I could extend this side here and get another angle, extend this one and get another angle, and I really have an exterior angle at every vertex, so there are 6 of them. But all of those added together are 360, and that's true for any polygon, no matter how many sides it has. And so another way is to just take that sum, 360, and divide it by 6, because that's the number of exterior angles. And if you use that method, you still get 60. You get the same answer. But I think the other way, just recognizing that these are linear pairs, is probably the easier way to go. But the answers to problem 11 are, it's a regular hexagon. The interior angle has a measure of 120 degrees. The exterior angle is 60 degrees.